Hello, in today's video, we're talking about how to do at-home laser hair removal properly because it's easy to make mistakes and feel overwhelmed by it. I have experience with both in clinic and at home laser hair removal, and I was pretty intimidated the first time I did it at home. So to help you not make the same mistakes I made, I wanted to share some helpful do's and don'ts with you using my favorite IPL device that I personally use, the ULike Air 10 that I've shared on my channel several times before. If you've used a ULike device, you know they're the only ones with sapphire ice cooling technology for a truly painless hair removal experience so you don't hurt one bit. And ULike has given me a discount code for you so you can save $130 on this or any ULike device on their site. The link and discount code are in my description box. So a big thank you to ULike for partnering with me today on this how-to video. No matter what IPL device you use, if you already have one or if you're trying to decide if IPL is right for you, these do's and don'ts should help make at-home IPL hair removal less intimidating for you. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and let's get started. IPL stands for intense pulse light, which is a very popular method for removing unwanted hair that can yield permanent results. It uses a high energy light source with a safe spectrum of light to target the melanin in hair follicles to inhibit future hair growth without damaging your skin. This used to only be done in a professional setting, and the first time I did laser hair removal was in a professional clinic setting for my bikini area because it's really great if you're prone to razor burn or rashes or irritation, which I was, and I was tired of experiencing that. And it worked phenomenally well, not only for removing unwanted hair, but also eliminating all my irritation, bumps, and razor burn. But it was costly and it was painful. There's sort of a burning, sharp rubber band snapping sensation that repeats over and over the entire time. And I was in a pretty vulnerable position too. You also have to keep going back for several weeks and return for maintenance treatments after that. Now, thankfully, we can do this safely and effectively in the privacy of our own home, saving tons of time and money in the process, which leads me to my first do. Do your research to make sure you end up choosing an effective device with the right features for you. Otherwise, you're still potentially wasting time and money. So for me, the ULike Air 10 is FDA cleared and has dual technology, which is double what other IPL devices have, which is why it's supposed to work so quickly. You're getting an increased treatment area with higher energy output, which gives you quicker, more effective hair removal. And I was surprised to see at how quickly my hair growth slowed under my arms. I noticed a difference within 2 weeks. I wasn't expecting that based on past experience with another popular at-home device that was painful and didn't give me the results I hoped for. The sensor area on the Air 10 is designed to sit flush to the skin to give you the most effective contact angle for hair removal. It senses if it's sitting flush to your skin and it won't fire if it's not. And it doesn't hurt. The sapphire ice cooling technology makes this a pleasant experience to use. I don't get that burning, snapping, rubber band pop sensation I experienced with both in-clinic removal and with the other popular device I tried. It just doesn't exist with the Air 10 because it remains at a constant 65-degree temperature. This may sound silly, but do read your instructions. An IPL device is not the type of tool you can just remove from the box and start going to town. You need to read up on how to use it. Everything you need to know from ULike anyway is in their manuals. How often to use it, what buttons to press, what intensity settings are best for certain body parts, to name a few. There's even a chart in here showing suitable skin tone and hair color combinations for IPL treatment in general. Which brings me to our first don't. I'm mixing up the do's and don'ts throughout this video. It just flowed a little bit better. Don't use an IPL device before researching your contrast. Because IPL technology targets melanin, it works better on somewhat lighter skin tones with darker hair. For instance, I have medium skin tone on my legs with lighter hair, blonde hair. So I just can't use IPL successfully on that part of my body. However, for my bikini area, my underarms, where my skin is a little bit lighter and my hair is darker, are perfect areas for IPL. One thing I really like about the Air 10 is that it has a built-in skin sensor with skin protection technology that detects skin tones and will auto-adjust your treatment accordingly, and it will stop flashing if the area is too dark to be deemed safe for treatment. Always do a patch test before you go full out with your IPL device, because even if an IPL device is compatible with your skin and hair color, there's a chance that sensitive skin might react poorly to IPL treatment. So do a quick patch test using the lowest setting on a small area and wait a day or two before fully starting your hair removal treatment. Better safe than sorry, right? Do shave either immediately before or the day before using your IPL device. In order for IPL to be effective, the area being treated must be smooth and hair-free from shaving. If you don't shave and hair remains above the surface of the skin, the device may target the visible hair instead of the root beneath the skin. It can also increase your chances of stinging and burning. Don't wax or pluck before you use your IPL device because it completely removes the entire hair follicle, leaving the device with nothing to target. You always want to just stick to shaving. This is another one that might seem a little silly up front, but it makes sense if you think about it. Do find a comfy spot. It doesn't have to be the same designated spot every time, but for some of the trickier areas like your underarms or your bikini area, having adequate lighting and proper mirror positioning to help you visualize what you're doing is really helpful. The Air 10 has a really long cord, which is nice in case you don't want to sit right next to your outlet. I've used this while watching TV on my bed or in my big chair in my bedroom, at my vanity, and of course in my bathroom, but having the long cord has been pretty essential for me. Do protect your eyes. IPL devices don't emit UV light, but because the light is so strong and bright, it's just a good idea to protect your eyes. You only have two. You want to take care of them. ULike includes some really cool, portable, foldable, protective sunglasses just for that purpose. You do want your skin to be clean and dry for your IPL treatment. Anything sitting on the surface of your skin is going to reduce the efficacy. One of my biggest hurdles is proceeding with my daily habits like putting on lotion or deodorant and then realizing, oh wait, it was an IPL day. And then I either need to wash it off or push this back another day. So what helped me is the night before an IPL treatment day, just setting this out on my counter in view so it interrupts my daily flow, and I remember to do this first. Don't be too aggressive. I know you may want to jump right in with a high intensity right away to achieve faster results, but starting with the intensity too high can lead to skin irritation, and that's not fun. Slow and steady wins the race. The best thing to do is to start with a low intensity and work your way up. I have sensitive skin under my arms, and I use my Air 10 on the highest mode, SHR, which is for stubborn hair, but there are 4 power modes to choose from. So I started low and saw how my skin reacted and worked my way up. And you can use different intensities or modes for different areas of the body. Your comfort matters here. Do be consistent. You don't have to do IPL daily, but you do need to be consistent for it to work. As with any device, you get as much out of it as you put into it. And thankfully, I've found this very easy to stick with because it's so quick and easy to use. For the best results and to ensure each hair follicle is treated at least once during its active growth phase, ULike recommends a 12-week cycle that consists of using the Air 10 3 times a week for 4 weeks and then touch-ups every 2 weeks for the remaining 8 weeks. So you want to be consistent with that schedule for the best results, which brings me to the next don't. Don't overuse your IPL device. You won't get better, faster results by going over the same area more than once or twice in a single session or by using your device more frequently. All that does is waste your time and cause potential skin irritation. IPL devices are designed to work according to the hair growth cycle in multiple sessions. So be patient, be consistent, and follow the schedule. Don't tan. If possible, it's best to avoid sun exposure, artificial tanning, even self-tanners before and after using an IPL device. Skin that's been sunburned, even invisibly so, or tanned may absorb more of the laser's energy, which can cause irritation, skin damage, and other issues. So avoid if possible, and always, always, always wear your sunscreen. Don't use IPL on irritated skin, rashes, large moles, scars, or tattoos, or if you're pregnant or nursing. IPL in general is not safe for those situations, so it's best to steer clear. That link and discount code where you can save $130 on the Air 10 or any other device on the ULike website is down in my description box for you. And I hope you found these IPL laser hair removal do's and don'ts helpful. If you did, I would love it if you would share this video with someone you think could benefit from it and give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy everyday beauty made easy, be sure you're subscribed because that's what my channel is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.